So, how to set up the quick reply? Open to your bot and send Start command. Click Chat Setting, click Quick Reply, then click Add New Quick Reply. Next, set up the trigger first. Click Edit Trigger, enter your trigger word, and send it to finish the setup. Next, configure the message content for this quick reply by clicking Add New Message. Then reply directly with your text content. You can further set up media and buttons. There are also options to switch to multimedia mode or use modules directly. For detailed steps, check our previous tutorial on the multi-form messages builder. I'll post the tutorial link in the comments. Now that the content setup is complete, click Preview this message to preview it. Each quick reply includes a maximum of 5 messages, which will be sent to users in sequential order. This quick reply message setup is now complete. Repeat the same process to add multiple quick reply. Now, let's take a look at how to use it while chatting. There are 2 ways. First, when chatting with a contact, type + your trigger word and send the message, and the matching preset content will be sent automatically. Second, while chatting with contacts, type /. A command list will pop up above the input box. Enter Q to quickly locate the quick reply command. You can either click the command to send it instantly or type out the full command manually before sending, and the bot will pop up the quick reply board. Click the buttons in the first column to preview. Click the Send button to quickly reply to your contacts, and click Edit Quick Reply to jump directly to the Quick Reply configuration menu. Important note: if your bot runs in single mode, you need to right-click the contact's message and click Reply, or hit the chat with this contacts button to enter a dedicated chat session with the contact before using any quick reply function. For topic mode, you can use quick reply function directly inside the contact's corresponding topic.